Hi guys, happy Sunday. I hope everyone is doing good today. So in today's video, I want to chat to you guys about SNDL growers, so ticker symbols SNDL. Well, this video is going to be more of an update just to let you guys know what's going on with the stock, what's going on with the company, if anything, because I know a lot of you guys might be invested in SNDL at the moment. But before I get into today's video, check this out. This video is brought to you by Weibo. If you'd like to get 2 free stocks valued at $1,850, check the link below. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So from my last video, I was looking at SNDL growers as a potential momentum play because I believed all the stars were aligning, especially with the MACD. It looked like the dead cross was coming to an end and the golden cross was about to pick up, which means that this could potentially have been the start to a bullish run, which could have taken the stock price all the way up to $4. But since then, it looks like the dead cross has been maintained. So is SNDL still good as a potential momentum play? And also is SNDL good for a long-term hold? So from the chart of SNDL growers, so ticker symbols SNDL. So from the histogram of the MACD, the bearish volume was effectively decreasing. So the trend was heading from bearish to potentially bullish. But as you can see, there was not enough bullish momentum to change the direction of the trend from bearish to bullish. And this caused the share price to begin falling. And from the histogram, the bearish momentum was increasing, basically as the price was falling. So what does this mean for SNDL growers going forward on a technical note? So looking at price action, the price fell to $1.15, had a low of 94 cents. So this 94 cents coincides with a support. So this support was recently a resistance that was broken on the 1st of February, and the price has fallen to test this support. And it looks like it's holding, especially seeing as the price retraced back to the support and bounced back off it. So if we pull up the 100 moving average, so a moving average is effectively a dynamic support or resistance. So if the price is above the moving average, this can be seen as the trend is bullish. So every time the price falls and touches that moving average, then you can see this as a dynamic support. So you can expect the price to bounce off the moving average or break below it. And if it breaks below it, then it can be seen as the trend is potentially bearish or heading towards bearish territory. So looking at the moving average, it actually coincides with the support. So we've got two supports. So we've got the dynamic support and we've got the horizontal support, which coincides with the share price of roughly 90 cents. And the fact that there's potentially 3 bullish signs. So we've got the hammer price action, so the candlestick, the hammer candlestick, and also we've got the horizontal support, and we've got the moving average support. So I believe there's a lot of demand around 90 cents. So we'll have a look to see if going forward, if this share price holds, and then if it holds right now, it's building a base. So if this base is built up and the share price starts to rise, then I believe there's going to be a lot of bullish momentum behind that rise, which could take this price up to $4. So if we look at one of the potential outcomes for the share price, so that outcome being that if the share price falls below 90 cents, so this would head towards oversold territory on the RSI. And again, when it's around oversold territory, then there's usually a lot of buyers looking to step in because they believe, you know what, the share price is oversold, is bound to retrace. So if a share price of a stock gets to oversold territory on the RSI, so the value of 30 or below, so this is usually a bullish sign, because what happens is that the share price falls towards oversold territory. A lot of investors might start jumping on the stock because they'll be like, you know what, this stock price is getting hammered right now. It's oversold. Right now, the share price is definitely less than what the company is worth. So a lot of investors start buying up the stock in anticipation for the share price reversing or the trend reversing. And if we have a look at the 200 moving average, so that's data for the last 200 days. Once the share price fell and touched this moving average and confirmed this moving average as a support, the share price took off from 61 cents all the way up to $4. So this could be another possible outcome where the share price falls and tests this 200 period moving average. So for anyone who's looking to hold SNDL long term, the 200 moving average is a good indication. So if the share price falls and tests the 200 moving average and bounces off it, i.e. proving that this is a good dynamic support, then I believe the share price is going to start heading up long term. If this is the case, then this is definitely a good sign for SNDL growers as a company and also the stock price, because one, the price is respecting a key bullish indicator being above the 200 MA. So that means for the long term that the trend is bullish. And two, comparing the most recent 10Ks for SNDL growers, i.e. looking at the annual statements, they've actually been improving from 2019 to 2020. So as a company, the performance has been improving. And also looking at the 10Qs, which is the quarterly earnings, they've also been improving quarter on quarter. So those are key pieces of data to understand the company's long-term potential. So what now for Sundial Growers? You need to decide what you're going to do with Sundial Growers. Are you going to hold it short-term, mid-term, or long-term? So if you're looking to hold it short-term as a momentum play, then you can wait for a golden cross on the MACD and also monitor the share price around 90 cents and basically around the 100 moving average, the 200 moving average, and also checking out the RSI to see when the share price is oversold. However, if you're looking to hold Sundial Growers long term, then you basically just need to set it and forget, because you can expect there's going to be a lot of intraday or daily or even weekly volatility within the market. You could get days or weeks where effectively the share price is just bleeding, there's blood in the streets. Alright, so it's just been red, red, red. You need to learn to check your emotions at the door if you're looking to hold a long term, and understand why you're looking to hold a long term and not focus on the intraday volatility. So if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. And guys, comment below, let me know your thoughts on Sundial Growers. Are you getting in Sundial Growers? Are you currently in Sundial Growers? Have you been worried about the share price? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you'd like to support my channel, you can sign up to my Patreon. The link is in the bio below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.